Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about the types of feedback. So in this video we will understand the different types of feedback and be able to give sporting examples for each type of feedback that we cover. The first few we're going to look at is called continuous and also terminal feedback. So feedback that is received during a performance is called continuous feedback. And an example of this is, whilst playing a football match, that feeling the moment you kick the ball, so it could be taking a shot or having a pass, that feeling that you get during the performance is known as continuous feedback. Terminal feedback is feedback that's received after the performance, so it could be after you've done a serve in tennis, you have a little bit of feedback from your coach about better placing the next serve that you do. The other two we're going to look at is intrinsic and extrinsic feedback. And intrinsic feedback is the physical feel of the movement as it's being performed. The key word there is feel, as it's coming from inside of the athlete. So for example, if you're going to execute a golf swing, the moment you make contact with that ball, you'll know whether it's been a good shot or a bad shot, just from how it feels from the moment it leaves the club. And that's why it's known as intrinsic feedback. Extrinsic feedback is provided by external sources. So this could be from teachers, coaches, or teammates. So it could be, as a footballer, if you've just passed a ball, it could be using an alternative techniques next time to make sure that it's more successful. So knowledge of performance. So this is about the pattern of movement that has taken place when executing a skill. If the performer is highly skilled, they'll already know what a good performance feels like, because they'll have that good kinesthetic awareness of what a good tennis shot or a good shot in football would feel like. Although it can be external feedback as well, because then it helps you to learn what a good performance feels like, and especially for people who don't participate at a high level, this external feedback about what a good performance will feel like will really help them to develop. Knowledge of results. So this feedback is external, as it allows the performer to see a response to their action. So without this type of feedback, it becomes very difficult to learn skills. So an example we've used is when a footballer takes a free kick and it goes in the top corner, they could get praise from their coach because it will have gone in the goal past the goalkeeper. Or an alternative could be if someone's going to do a serve in tennis and their opponent finds it very difficult to hit it back and you score the point, that's also along the knowledge of results. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.